Do you want to improve all your outfits and upgrade your style? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, I will be giving you all the best tips and advice on how you can improve any outfit and enhance your style. So let's start. 1. Layer your clothes. Layering your clothes, like wearing two tops together, as shown in the picture, can really enhance your outfit and makes it look more put together. Here are some other outfits that have layered tops. 2. Always add accessories. Adding accessories like jewelry, hats, bags, or hair accessories can make any outfit look way better, but try not to overdo it. 3. Invest in basics. Start adding more basics to your wardrobe, like plain neutral colored clothes like these. And basic jeans like these. 4. Style your clothes. You can style your clothes by adding an extra jumper around your shoulders to make your outfit look more put together. You can also style your clothes like this. It's the same outfit, just styled in a different way. 5. Iron your clothes. Ironing your clothes creates a clean and professional look that will make every outfit look so much better. It's also more comfortable to wear and protects your clothes. 6. Things to avoid in fashion. Avoid clothes that are too baggy and avoid clothes that are too tight. You should also avoid overdoing accessories, as it can make your outfit look messy and too much. 7. Buying clothes. Buy clothes that can go with other clothes you already have, so that you can create multiple outfits with the same clothes, and so you're not left with nothing to wear. 8. Have good posture. Having good posture and confidence will instantly make you and your outfit look so much better. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope these tips were helpful.